Going to a car wash.
Washes are made.
Made?
I mean, car washes are actually
Will it rip the windshield wiper off the Cybertruck? Lower your volume.
And then soap is coming out.
Soap is coming out.
It's disco.
Disco.
I said disco, you said body.
It's going.
Yeah, and then it looks like the soap is changing color.
The soap is changing color.
And then you rinse it, and towels actually dry the little bit.
Towels dry it. Get those little towels.
Yes.
One of those.
And then water's coming out.
Oh, Christmas tree. Upside down Christmas tree. Uh-oh. Now we're blind.
And then we rinse it.
Uh-oh.
And rinse it.
What, did it break your mirror? Why is it backwards? It's the wrong... Usually it pushes it the other way, doesn't it?
This video's like 1 hour. I mean, like 1 minute long. And then it dries down like you say.
Just relax.
It's gonna go down for what time the teardrop is gonna go down?
It's drying. There's the air blowers.
That would go. And then after that,
It says to
there's
relax.
last thing on the court. You can barely see
Now it
it.
says go. All done. And then they have a guy that helps dry your car some more.